Embracers, and welcome to Embracing Health with Shahadah and Becky. Today I'm going to lead you through an upper body workout that you can do anywhere, at home, at the gym. All you need is a bit of resistance. So on this chair that you probably can't see, I have several different types of resistance that you can choose from. If you have a set of weights, it doesn't matter what size, you can use those. A simple water bottle or jug of water can also be used as a resistance weight, or a resistance band. You can find these at a lot of places: Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, things like that. You may also need a chair. So let's get started.
So first we're going to start out with some simple arm circles. We're going to do 10 forward and then we're going to do 10 backward. You can do them smaller or larger like I'm showing you, but what we want to do is we want to warm up the muscles that we're going to use. And I know a lot of people tend to think they need to stretch beforehand, but there are theories out there that stretching cold muscles can actually be bad for you. Next, we're going to be doing some air punches as shown. Your back arm comes forward in the punch while your forward arm kind of comes back down to your waist. And we're going to do 10 each side. This is really good to work a lot more of the upper body muscles. With air punches, you don't want to let your fist drive all the way through and straighten your elbow. That can actually be harmful to your joints. So you want to have a really good control and stop your fist before your arm reaches its full extension. Now we're going to bring you guys down to the floor where we're going to do some simple push-ups. Push-ups are a really great exercise to start adding more resistance to your warm-up. So by using your full body or even coming down on your knees, you're going to start to wake those muscles up even more and get them ready for the exercises you're going to do with your other resistance. I'm going to bring myself down onto my knees to show you that it doesn't matter if you can do a full-blown push-up or if you need to have some sort of assistance. You can even do them on a more elevated surface or even against a wall. The first exercise we're going to do is the bicep curl. And you're going to keep your arms by your side, bend at the elbow, for 3. Keep it steady, and 4. And 5, keep your balance. 6, if you're struggling, you need to go down on weight. 7, only a few more. 8, last 2, 9, last one is 10. Now we're going to do an overhead press, and no, I didn't cut off my legs. I'm just down on my knees so you guys can see, and I didn't have to change the camera angle. Now we're on 3 and 4. These are really great for your shoulders. 5, like your traps. 6, 7, and your deltoids. 8, last 2, 9, and 10. Now I'm trying to tell you without speaking to drop one of your weights for this next exercise, which is an overhead tricep extension for 1. This one's really great for your underarms too, or the area where a lot of people tend to have like flabby skin, and so this is a really good way to kind of tone up that part of your arm. And now we're on 7, 8, 9, and 10. For this next exercise, you want to have a good solid base with your feet. Hinge forward at the waist, then bring your arms up and allow them to kind of come in front of you on the way back down. Now we're on 3 and 4, 5. You might have a harder time with whatever weight you have started out with for the other exercises, and it's okay if you need to go down on weight with this one. We're on 9 and 10. For the bent over row, you're going to need a chair or another surface that's about knee height. You're going to grab your weight off the floor, bend your elbow so that the weight kind of comes up to your underarm. While doing this exercise, try to squeeze your shoulder blade towards your spine. And we're at 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, as you may have noticed, we only did one side. So now we got to do the other side. By using a surface around the height of your knees, that ensures while you're leaning on it that your torso is approximately parallel to the floor, meaning that as you lift the weight, you are using the full weight of that resistance with the help of gravity. And now for the last 2 and last 1. So for this next exercise of a chest press, I wanted to use the full resistance of gravity with my weights. So I am taking that same chair and resting my upper back against it while also bridging with the rest of my body. If this seems a little too hard for you, then you can opt out of this unless you have a gym bench at your home or possibly even something such as a coffee table or an ottoman. But with this, we are setting up to be able to come all the way down for our chest press as well as all the way up, using gravity as its full resistance. And now we're on our last few. That was 8, 9, and 10. And now this is just me kind of showing you how you can drop your weights, bring your feet underneath your glutes, sit up a little bit, assist yourself with a chair, and stand up. Last exercise, called the pullover, we're going to have the same setup as the chest press. And again, if this is something you don't think you can do, then please opt out. But in this case, you want to make sure that you can bring your arms behind your head. So you want to turn the chair as I've shown you. And you're just going to kind of bring the weight from behind your head up to your chest. And I want to stress to please make sure that you are using a weight you can comfortably hold so that it does not come down crashing on your face. Right now we're on 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. All right, you guys, so that's it for this workout. I would suggest rewinding and doing that for 2 more rounds. That'll get you a really good upper body workout in less than 20 minutes. Otherwise, if you're ready for the cool down, then just keep on watching. For our cool down, we're going to do some stretches. So bring your right arm across your chest, holding it there for 15 seconds with your other arm. Stretching with your more muscles will not only help to prevent sore muscles the next day, but also help keep flexibility in your joints. And having a cool down period at the end of your workout is a great way to allow your heart rate to come back down to normal. For the next stretch, you're going to bring your arm up and over above your head, bending the elbow so that your hand reaches behind your back. You're also going to assist with the other hand by putting light pressure on the stretched arm to help bring your hand down as far as you can to reach between your shoulder blades. After 15 seconds, you're going to switch arms, bringing your left arm up and over, bending the elbow, and reaching your hand between your shoulder blades, assisting with your right hand. This stretch is really good for the latissimus dorsi, also known as the lats, which is the muscle that we worked a lot with that pullover, that last exercise we did. We got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your arms. Next, we're going to stretch our chest muscles or our pecs, and the best way I like to do this is to find something to hold on to. I'm holding on to kind of like a door frame, and I'm going to turn my chest away from that door frame. So I'm grabbing on with my right hand and twisting my torso to the left, facing away from the door frame to get a really good stretch in that pectoral. Now I'm just switching sides, grabbing with my other hand and twisting away from the door frame and trying to hold my position. Throughout all of these stretches, including this one, please listen to your body to make sure that you're not overstretching and actually going to injure yourself with the stretch.
Alright you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know down below how you liked it, what you would like to see in the future. And don't forget, if you haven't already, check us out on Facebook at Embracing Health with Shahadah and Becky. Request to join our group, and there you'll be able to see more videos like this, tips and tricks, healthy recipes, Chinese medicine, nutrition, all sorts of things related to health that'll help keep you on track. Thanks for watching. Bye.